So what I do for like a daily basis to improve my English speaking, today I will tell you. So first thing, I wake up early in the morning. Then I first thing I do, just quickly do morning affirmation, like I say to myself, I am obedient, I am confident, I can achieve like fluency as soon as possible. And I do just positive things to pump up, because it's very important to start your day with positive things. Then I just quickly go to the into the kitchen, and then I start preparing breakfast, because in the morning I have to quickly like complete all morning chores, because I have three kids, so I will be late for like tiffin. So then I just quickly prepare tiffin, and then I pack um, the tiffin. And then after that, I have a small kid, so I have to serve them, because they don't finish the tiffin properly, because it's very essential. Then I just quickly complete all my chores, morning chores, like doing the dishes, cleaning the kitchen. Then I do some morning rituals, like first thing I take a bath. Then I perform morning ritual like puja and aarti. Then I quickly have my breakfast with my little cute one. Then I do some morning things, like I have cattle, so I have to give them fodder and rice starch in the afternoon, but I do in the morning as well. Then I start my practice, like I read some books. Nowadays I'm reading self-growth books. And then I do some practice with app with my co-learners. Then it's 12 o'clock. Then again I enter into the kitchen and start preparing lunch, because it's very mandatory to, because if you are a homemaker, so you have to do all these things again and again. It's never ending task. Then I just do prepare, then I just prepare lunch for my family. Then after that, after preparing lunch, I have to give them fodder again to my cattle. And I give them to like rice starch, we call in Hindi mand. And then I serve lunch to everyone, and I feed my kids as well. Then I take lunch, and in the afternoon, I do some like chores leftover. I clean my utensil. Then I come on terrace. This is my favorite time in the like evening. I practice with my co-learners again. Sometimes I debate or any topics. Then I do some practice with AI, and then I have to like edit my video in the evening. And sometimes I play with my little one. And in the evening I have to like quickly uh, prepare dinner for my family, and simultaneously I have to help them for my kids into the study. Then doing all the things. And I when I while I preparing like dinner, I do rapid fire round, because what happened, I don't get much time during the day. So I just create a habit, like while preparing chapati, I simultaneously I do rapid fire round, and then I finish my dinner, and then I serve to the family and kids. And after completing chores, then I take my dinner with my kids, and sometimes I have to feed them. we feed them because my kids are very naughty, mischievous, so they don't finish properly. And after doing all the thing, I got get very tired all of things, and then I go to bed. And after that, when I go to bed, I do again like a night affirmation, because it's very useful things. While doing these affirmation, I just remind myself I am enough to do all the things, because it's very important. Your subconscious mind is very awake when you are going to sleep, so it's like a boosting your mind. So I just do all of things, and let me know in the comment box what is your morning routine looks like. I keep learning, keep growing, and never give up. You will like achieve fluency. Thank you.